Navigating complex, hand-drawn plans can be a major challenge, especially when dealing with handwritten notes and unclear text. But what if you could understand it all in an instant? With Caddie, you can. Simply ask it to extract and translate all the text from the drawing. Caddie's powerful natural language technology gets to work, processing every detail, from technical specifications to handwritten annotations. It intelligently analyzes scanned or even blurry drawings, ensuring nothing is missed. And just like that, every piece of text is accurately transcribed and translated, neatly organized in a table. From complex zoning ratios to specific building dimensions, Caddie makes even the most hard-to-read drawings perfectly clear.